Hey there. I've got a very special thing to unbox for you today. I got up early, couldn't sleep, sitting in my house, heard a noise, wasn't sure what it was. Got myself a little bit of breakfast, and I went to go, I gotta take trash cans outside. Walked outside, and this was laying on my porch. Okay, so nicely packaged. Box is very clean. Cardboard insert. Got some bubble wrap here, which is adhered down. And inside of this is Miles Davis Kind of Blue UHQR. Just hit the doorstop this morning. I'm really excited about this. Wow. Okay. Well, I'll be back in a second. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm back. I had to get the box out of the way and just kind of look at this for a moment. I'm going to take the shrink off. I've got to find a spot that's kind of unobtrusive because the tolerance on all the edges of the box, as you can see, are very small. So normally where like I'd take this knife and make a little incision at the end of the LP jacket, don't touch the sleeve, just kind of get it open just a little bit. Well, this one doesn't really have that, so I kind of clip out a corner here so I'm not damaging anything while I'm doing it. One of the things I want to do is I want to save all the hype stickers and things, so I picked a spot by a seam, so you're probably going to have to do that if you get one of these. But, hitting that seam, this thing's going to come off like a charm, and I'm actually going to save. I save my shrink wrap if I can get the whole piece off at one, and this one was one of those that I'm going to take the whole thing off. And so there's the hype stickers if you want to see them. I'll give you a little second there to be able to read that. The only other sticker on here is a barcode. But what I normally do is I take these things and I fold all this up, and what I will do is I will, in my handy drawer here on my desk, I will go down and I will grab an envelope, and I'm going to put this shrink with all the hype stickers inside this envelope. There's nothing else in the box. I don't know if there's like a packing slip or something like that. I'll usually keep that in there too. But now, this is all the bonus, all the hype stuff. That way it's kind of separated from everything else. I can put my trusty knife away now, and I can start to pull out the UHQR slip. And so we've got a few things in here. And the UHQR cases are very nice because they're sturdy and they protect everything very well. Here's the sort of certificate of authenticity, sort of come out saying, hey, you've got a UHQR, great vinyl, there's 25,000 of these. You get a technical specifications, little booklet here as well too. If I can get this open, my clumsy fingers this morning, which kind of goes in and talks about the whole process, so you can kind of read a little bit about what went into creating this package. Then we've got this liner note kind of booklet here, and I'm gonna change angles here. Give me a sec, and then I'll do it from another way. Okay, so let's take a look here. So there's that certificate of authenticity, my envelope that's got all the extras, the hype stickers. Then you've got the booklet, which this is why I changed angles here, so kind of flip through it a little bit. Really nice photography, well laid out. I like that that blue gradient into the complete black and white here. So you got some great shots. There's a great shot of train there. Kind of flip through this whole thing. Okay, so there's the booklet that comes with it. And then you've got this really nice reproduction jacket. It is a gatefold. And so what you'll see is you'll see some of the same photography that's in the booklet. You know, and it is a nice reproduction of the jacket itself. Very heavyweight. There's my number. This is number 17,662 out of 25,000. And then we've got this UHQR clear vinyl 6-eye label LP. And I'm not going to play this yet. Well, there you have it. There's the Miles Davis kind of blue UHQR. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.